How to use the Okta Verify app. Step-by-step guide in English. Open the app after installing it. You'll land on a home screen that looks like this. Add an account. Tap on Add Account or the plus icon in the top right corner. You'll be asked what kind of account you want to add. Organization account, e.g. work, school, or company. Other accounts, e.g. Facebook, Google, etc. Example, adding an organization account. You have a few options here. Scan a QR code shown on another device, or tap Sign In at the bottom to log in manually. If you choose Sign In, it will ask for your organization's sign-in URL, e.g. example.okta.com. If you don't know it, tap the blue text to get help or instructions. Example, adding a personal account, e.g. Google, Facebook. Tap on Other if you want to add a personal account. You can either scan a QR code or enter the setup key manually. This is provided in the instructions by the service you're using. Enter a name for the account and the key. Note, this is not your password. It's a special code given by the platform. After adding an account, you now have two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled, which gives your account an extra layer of security. To access the settings in the Okta Verify app, tap the three dots in the top right, then tap on Settings. Here you can manage limited options within the app. That's it. Now you know how to use the Okta Verify app. If this helped you, leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.